gustong magpa-lipo pero ayaw magpa-opera. So,
Ay, mga non-invasive!
So, yung effect ng machines ng sex solutions, similar to the effect of liposuction.
Parang yung mga RF, radio frequency, mga ganyan-ganyan.
So, sex solutions by Bello, they give the best, highest quality.
Kaya ka nalilink kay Doktora Vicky Bello.
Yeah, we've been friends for 10 years.
Iwanawin natin
Ito magandang pangkatas din to.
Ito na, pero ito sinasagot niya. Hindi na pwedeng pangkatas.
Kasi may mga ganung intriga.
Kasi that's part of show business. Nung pumasok ko sa show business, that's gonna happen. But I've known them and their family for 10 years. And Vicky know what I do, my specialty in business. Kaya when Sex Solution came out, perfect lang yung tandem ko with them because ang job ko doon is basically they consult with me, I produce the fitness and diet program for them combined with the treatments of the machine. And yeah, they can check out the Sex Solution at sexsolutions.com.
Sexsolutions.com, may S yung solution.
Yeah, and then they can also follow them sa Twitter at Sexsolutions.
Sexsolutions.
Marami kayong tips na
makakuha doon.
And also, yung account number ko is True Dream Body. You can also get a lot of tips doon na kakaiba pagdating sa fitness and diet, yung mga out of this world tips na back up by science.
Meron bang ano doon? Yung kunyari gusto nila magtanong?
Ano ibig sabihin mo ng out of this world?
Well, kasi normally, something that you never hear people talk about, katulad ng, let's say, cocoa is actually considered as a fat burner, but not a lot of people know that. Yeah, but yung cocoa na
with rock salt and cheese?
Oo.
like, if you could buy the Hershey chocolate and yung unsweetened, and you drink about 2 to 3 cups of that per day, it helps you burn fat, it helps you regulate your blood sugar. So maraming mga ganong tips na kakaiba, you don't normally find anywhere else. So,
parang na-miss ko yung brown cow.
Brown cow.
Iba naman yun, yung nilalagay sa
Ice cream.
Hindi, sa yung
Scramble.
Scramble. Oo.
So,
ayun.
And then yung My Fit Life, the one I'm doing, we're gonna launch it in December.
Yung ano siya, yung
My Fit
My
Life.
Fit
Yun yung
Life.
kanyang
website, yung website, diba?
Tomorrow yan.
That's the name of the company. Actually, it's, the main idea is Eat More, Exercise Less. So we have this program called Eat More and Exercise Less program. And
So meron kang rito, parang mga guinea pig.
yeah, I have
Okay. Ano ba matatawag natin doon? Parang naman guinea pig
well, I
yan?
call them subjects or
Subjects.
or,
Tama. Or victims, pwede rin.
victims or transformers, I call them. And they have undergone the program now.
Ilan sila?
Marami sila, but
Kasama ka, di ba?
actually yung ako, I transformed myself many times, and yung pinaka-last transformation ko was 2009 using that very same program, yung Eat More and Exercise Less, which is straight from my book. And itong My Fit Life program, it's a whole wellness thing kasi we provide the routine, we provide all the materials for you that you will need for the next 3 months to transform your body. And pretty much I have a lot of celebrities and other different personalities na nag-undergone the program, and they have their before and after pictures. So coming out this December, maglalapit kami ng few celebrities who undergone the program. You'll see their before and after picture. You can see it's myfitlife.com.
sayang na simula mo na Francina, kasama ka doon.
Yeah, we talked about it before nga. Nauna sa events. But it's okay. We can do it again maybe next year.
Pwede ba kayo hindi celebrity? Para kami ni Danes.
Yeah, it's open.
Pwede ba sila magpa-consult sa'yo?
Yeah, why not? It's open for everybody. It's gonna be open. It's gonna be
Private
available.
consultation.
Oo, one-on-one.
One-on-one ba?
Oh, bye.
Papauna na rin si Degins.
May dark room tuloy.
Dark room! Ano dark room?
Akala magkakadevelopan eh.
Ganun ba? Yeah.
Oo. Ayan. So yun, myfitlife.com.ph. Pero bukas yan, ha?
But
Bukas yan. Pwede
website,
nang i-check yan.
the website that I have now, na existing, which is called my book naman, is, the title of the book is Your Dream Body Come True. And you can check it out now on the website, yourdreambodycometrue.com. Because you can see there yung before and after pictures ko when I was so fat.
Ha?
And,
Tumaba ka?
Talaga, gano'n ka kataba
Oh, yeah, yeah.
before?
Sige,
I had a 39-inch waistline, and you know, and
You sure na mo ngayon, 39 ka?
Yan pala ang future ko kasi 39 din ako
Yeah,
ngayon.
seryoso. But you can check it on website, Your Dream Body Come True.
There's hope.
So makikita mo rin yung transformation in 3
Para lang
months.
may idea yung mga nakikinig sa atin ngayon. Ano bang height mo?
6'1".
6'1".
Yes.
Tapos...
Shoe size.
Shoe size.
Yun agad ang ano?
Tweet kasi!
Wey!
Ayun o, sabi.
magpapadala doon ng sapatos.
Ano bang brand mo?
I'm size 11 and a half to 12. Yeah, depending what shoes.
Depende what shoes kung pang formal, pang ano, ha?
Si Renches Esteban na nagpapatanong kung anong shoe size.
Naglaglag pa ng tao.
Naglagan pa, ha?
Oo, nakikinig ngayon nga si Renches Esteban ng mix. Nandyan ngayon.
Hi, Rench!
Ayun na, nakita ko na Your Dream Body Come True, Edward Mendez.
You'll see the before pictures ko din. And you can actually click, tapos may konting snippets there from the book. And you can see yung mga
Saan yung
previous
snips?
yung previous transformation ko sa about the author. Tapos sa training blueprint tsaka meal blueprint, makikita mo how much I ate, how much I ate.
Gaano katagal yung naging transformation?
3 months lang.
3 months
3
lang.
months.
And from what... Wait lang, on weight. From what to what?
Yung weight ko, hindi masyadong fluctuate. Kasi
Kasi
I
naging
gained lots of
muscle
weight.
yung ano, yung
So
taba.
I'm very small bone, kaya hindi ako maabot ng 200 pounds. So my weight there was about 180 plus and 25% body fat. By the end of my program, I was down to 174 and about 9-point-something% body fat in 3 months. And pag nakita mo yung record ko, which is in the website also, nasa meal blueprint and training blueprint, you saw how much I ate, 36 meals in a week.
So yung isasabi natin yung how much you ate. Diba kanina nga may nagsasabi na gusto ko sana mag-diet kaso parang ang mahal ng mga kinakain.
Yeah, believe it or not, it's more cheap to prepare your own food and to diet. Kasi sa program ko, may mga listahan na bibilin mo, very basic, and it actually would save you a lot of money. And yung 1,000 pesos mo, for example, that's equivalent to almost 2 weeks of your diet food that is connected to my program. Kaya, you know, to get in shape, to follow the proper diet, it doesn't cost that much.
Pero ano, sample lang. Like, kasi syempre, bibilin mo dapat yung meal plan eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Sample lang, ano ba mga sample meals, kunwari na pwedeng i-prepare ng isang tao sa bahay? Kunwari, lalo na if yung lifestyle mo on the go, you're on the go.
The beauty of it kasi yung program na ginawa ko is meant for busy people. I was very busy when I was doing the transformation.
So sa mga tao nga, mas kaya nyo
Yung
gawin
mga tao
to.
sobrang busy. Basically, you know, I teach you how to make a healthy sandwich. You know, yung mga very trivial and very basic.
Tulad ng ano?
There's, you know, you mix a canned tuna with mayonnaise, and then you prepare that, and then you can, you know, make that for
Canned
breakfast.
tuna?
So it's just mostly I teach.
Canned tuna, gusto ko
Canned
yan.
tuna! I like
yeah.
that!
Percy, canned tuna!
Canned tuna!
O kaya I also, kasi sa 6 times a day of meal eating, I mean, it's really hard pag busy ka. So, sa program of Eat More, Exercise Less, it teaches you also how to prepare your meal replacement.
Okay.
And that meal replacement, I can't really fully divulge it, but you'll find out more when you get into
What
the
is
program.
a meal replacement?
It's something that, it takes you less than a minute to prepare.
Okay.
And then, it's complete and packed with the nutrients.
Nang
that you
isang
need.
buong meal na rin.
Yes, it's a buong meal that your body would need. And then 3 hours later, you eat the regular meal. So,
Yung isang DJ namin, si Piolo Ascas, pwede ba magpa-train sa kanya private? 3 months lang. Parang jowa.
ganun ba?
Sorry,
Well,
si Daines ang nauna. Kay pangalawa ka lang.
Well,
Sorry.
yung-
Ay, hindi, pangatlo ka pala. Si, ano pa eh, Boy
Ako
Daya
pa.
Well, guys, the beauty of my fit life kasi, yung office namin will be also around the vicinity. I think it's walking distance.
Ano to?
away.
So makikita ka namin palagi?
May workout facility kayo sa office.
Well, we're gonna have that.
It's gonna be like a gym inside. Parang,
Yeah, kasi this
Talaga?
Yeah, kasi my
Uy,
O, doon ka na mag-enroll!
Oo.
yung ano kasi, yung program na to, you can even do it sa bahay mo. Kasi my vision kasi is to make it so easy for everyone to go on a diet and to exercise. And
O, kasi yung iba, di ba, nahihiya sila. Ayaw pumunta sa gym kasi parang ang taba-taba ako.
Yeah.
Baka pagtawanan ako doon, gano'n-gano'n. Or wala akong outfit.
sa lahat ng exercise movement na naka-illustrate lahat, and you can do it in your bedroom.
In the bedroom?
Yes.
Pwede sa bed?
Sa bed mismo?
kailangan ba may partner ka dito?
Well,
O pwedeng handsome?
Pwede namang sariling sikap.
Ay,
Yeah.
Oh, saan galing yan? Pwede.
Kasi di ba may threesome, may twosome, pag mag-isa ka lang handsome.
Yeah, I
Pag
guess
wala
so.
akong partner, handsome na lang.
Alright.
Oo.
So yun, the office will be around here. I'll invite you guys pag launching namin.
Oo, sige,
And then,
punta kami dyan.
Of course. So I'll be very
Ang
active.
bilis ah. Hindi ka busy?
Hindi, naka-reserve yung araw na.
Pwede kayo maging subject.
Yeah, why not? Pag-usapan natin yan after. And you know, I'm going to be also collaborating with Sexy Solutions kasi Sexy Solutions is the first company to introduce non-invasive treatment na very effective. And if you combine this with the My Fit Life program, which is the Eat More, Exercise Less, I mean, sobrang mabilis yung improvement. Tsaka
Gustong-gusto ng mga tao yan. Gusto nila maging sexy nang wala silang ginagawa.
China.
At kumakain pa.
Correct.
Diba? So
Oo.
perfect na perfect
And
itong
then,
program.
Tapos yun nga sinabi non-evasive, ibig sabihin na parang hindi ka na violate. Kasi parang yung iba dyan, pag sinabing injection, tanggal agad ang pantalon.
Tama!
And
Oo.
just to give you guys a little science about Sexy Solutions treatment. Kasi yung fat cells nyo, yung nagkakos sa inyo to regain, kapag nag-lose kayo, mabilis mag-gain back, di ba? Because of the fat cells. And yung fat cells natin, hindi nawawala yan, nag-shrink lang yan. Kahit mag-lose ka ng weight.
Nandiyan lang yan.
Nandiyan lang yan. Pag nauubos yung fat cells mo, nami-maintain mo yung progress mo. At the same time, ang hirap bumalik ng weight gain.
Okay.
So, ang ginagawa ng treatment sa Sexy Solution, dinidestroy niya yung fat cells. Tapos, lumalabas sa lymphatic system mo. Ibig sabihin, you clear out. And then, yung fat mismo,
Nawawala sa katawan.
nadi-destroy
Ayun.
on that same day.
Sabi ni Annalyn Hamilano ng Milpitas, California, thanks to Edward sa mga good informations. To have good diet. Marami akong natutunan while I'm listening sa extra serve.
May quiz kami maya-maya, so ilabas na yung mga
prepare ang
1/4.
inyong one half.
One half pala, ano?
Lengthwise.
Lengthwise, crosswise.
Crosswise.
Crosswise. Alam ko na, may essay to, no?
Mahaba eh.
Kasi crosswise eh.
Essay na kung paano sinabi ni Edward, ganun-ganun
Ganun
yung
yun.
explain na.
Verbatim yan, ha?
Hindi pwedeng in your own words.
So sa ating pagbabalik mga Wawits, we're gonna be closing down the show. In the meantime, ito muna tayo.
Agad-agad ka.
Oh God.
Ito muna tayo. Colby Callie. O sabi mo yung isang host sa TV nagsabi, Colby Callian.
Kasi yun ang spelling, Colby Kayla.
Colby kailat nga. Oo.
Oo.
Bubbly on extra service mga Wawits.
Oh, this is...